start with the right pocket. Phone, geek bar, aka douche flute. I like to keep a multi-tool on me. Just comes in handy. People might need it. And this is the EDC from the right pocket. I like to keep a 12-inch AR-15 on me at all times. That comes in handy. Next up, we got a wrench, smoke grenade, and we'll switch to the left pocket real quick. Left pocket, SIG fuse. Run out of space. It's always good to keep a fixed blade on you. So yeah, we got that, and I always keep my canteen. Gotta stay hydrated out there. Drink your water, boys. And then to finish it off, we have a tomahawk. All right, that's the EDC. Oh fuck.